Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake?
Hello everyone, welcome. Let's see this this very fast instant live. I'm just so curious how the Ethereum price will develop that I just couldn't wait, and I was thinking that maybe some of you want to follow me. So right now it seems that Ethereum's price is dropping. Let me know if you can hear me, you can see me, and yeah. I forgot to tweet this. So anyone who is here, I don't think that we are many people. We are like one viewer. Okay, maybe we will need to wait just a bit. So in the meantime, I will tell you what I am thinking. I think that the Ethereum's price will go low. And the reason for that is the following. I just had a chat with my first subscriber, Stefan, who is a winner of the Ethereum lottery, and he just called me and asked me when is the Ethereum listing, and I told him that it is right now, and he said that he wants to sell everything very fast to make some money, to make some profit. And I am very curious how this price will develop, but it seems that right now it is dropping. I don't know if you can see it. So we don't really no pump predicted in your Twitter. Yeah. So yeah, as I said in my video today as well, I have no idea, and I had no idea whether it is going to go up or down. And yeah, I mean, who could know that? I certainly didn't. And the reason I was thinking that maybe it will go up is because I was thinking that there was like 22x, and people at listings, they are expecting 50 and 100x, and Holoride was already like 200x. Therefore, I was thinking that people will be people or Ethereum holders will wait until others want to buy, because in the price discovery it was pretty how should I say it? It was obvious that more people want to buy than those who want to sell. But as it turns out, and I'm watching the price right now, and it is at 0.81, they were just waiting out for the price to go up, and they said that okay, the 20x is enough for me, and people are selling. And right now it is at 0.8, and it is just dropping. In the meantime, I want to check whether are the charts already listed. Let's see, just 1 second. I will put it here. Okay, let's see. Do we have Ethereum or not? Max, right? Ethereum. Yeah, it's right here. Okay, so can we just select it? No, we can't yet. Okay, right now it's not available, probably because they don't really have everything set up for it, but it is already showing the price, and it is 0.8. Therefore, I wasn't right, and it is very interesting to see, because I did think that Ethereum will go up to the $2, maybe $3, and Ethereum holders will just wait it out until until it reaches like double, and then they will start to dump it, because that would have been even bigger profit. But it seems that they think that that more and more people will sell, and they don't want to be the last one to sell. Therefore, it seems that they are selling it. They are selling. What a surprise. I am surprised, to be honest. If I had Ethereum, and probably I wouldn't laugh at this point, but I would not have sold. I would have waited just a bit more until I can see whether they want to sell it or not. So if, let's say, if I won on the lottery, I would sell Ethereum somewhere here. So I would not have sold at 0.8. So probably I would have missed out with a couple of X's. But yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Okay, so as I can see, maybe after the unlock period, the pump will come. Well, yes. So what are the next steps? What are the next what can happen next? That is the question here, because right now it seems that everybody is selling it. Everybody, the Ethereum is a sell-off. Therefore, I wouldn't be surprised if those people who had like a big bag of Ethereum and they just sold off, probably there will be a bottom somewhere. I don't know where, and some people will buy it back, because I'm sure that the project has some future. The project is pretty good, looking in the fundamentals. Therefore, I'm sure if I would have Ethereum and if I sold right now, I would wait until it bottoms out. You know, I have no idea at which point, and then I would just buy back the same amount which I have, and yeah, enjoy the profit. But right now, it seems that we will have to wait. You know what? I was thinking that maybe we can make a contest. So if you write in the comments, what do you think will be the bottom? Maybe we can, or in one of the video with one live, we will come back and we will see who said what and who was right about the bottom. So I would say the bottom will be somewhere around 0.4, 0.3504. That's what I think. But type in the comments what you think. What will be the bottom price for Ethereum? What will be the turning point from where it will just start to climb back? I have a feeling that at one point my neighbor will just fall off from above. So start writing in the comment what do you think, what will be the bottom price, because I'm very curious to see. I'm a winner. I put 500 in LP, 500 to use today if things are interesting, and 1000 after the 3 days, the rest stake. Wow, that's I think, Adrian, that is a very good strategy. And yeah, I agree with you, to be honest. I mean, if you don't want to make quick profits, just yeah, this kind of diversification, I think that's always pretty good. And yeah, if you don't chase the big profit and the instant profit, you also take away some of the instant risks. Okay, I see 0.4, 0.5, 0.44, 0.66, 0.66. Well, yeah, that could be 0.62. Well, it depends. Let's see. We are now at 0.75. It has kind of stopped, so I don't see a bigger dump. Let's see what the ARDA chart says. ARDA chart says 0.776. So would this mean that if you buy if you buy on the Maiar DEX and you sell it here on the ARDA chart, then you make some profit? I'm curious about it. Can't wait for the chart to be available, but yeah, let's see. So it kind of stopped at 0.75. What will be the price where you will start buying? Is anyone here who will start buying Ethereum? I know I will. I'm just curious whether you guys want to buy in at some point, or whether the bottom which you just wrote is the point, it's the entry point which you think you will start to buy in. 0.62. Yeah, nice. Okay, seems that the price is kind of stopped for a second. I don't know if this is because these were the early birds, or refresh the page on ARDA. Okay, let's refresh it there as well. Now it's the same. It's the same, and it's the same here as well. Okay, you will, but you want at least 0.5, Andre. Yeah, well, maybe 0.5 will be. The problem is that Ethereum with this price already has a very big market cap. Doubling your small position at 0.5, Matt said. Nick or Matt? Whatever. So, should I call you Nick or Matt? And the second question, did you buy some Ethereum on JAX or ESDT market? That's why you double your position, or you're a lottery winner? It can break $1 and double up. I don't know. I'm very curious to see. Oh, it's going up now. It's 0.76. People started to buy it. I'm just I think it should go a bit lower. It should. I mean, it shouldn't. Whatever. I am expecting it to go a bit lower, but it also could happen that some people will start to buy in right now. I'm sure that if something like this is happening, so we had this price discovery, we reached the 0.88 somewhere there. It seems that we came down to 0.76 and maybe people started to buy in. I should switch this to green. So what I'm expecting right now here, that if it reaches the 0.88, there might be a point where it will just stumble a bit. If it goes over, then the big sells will come in, but it might also just go through the roof there. I don't know. People buy ITHEUM. People will buy ITHEUM because it is a good project, and on the meta staking it have the it has the 30%. Yeah, that's for sure. And also for the first week there is this how much APR? It's something like almost 1000, something like that. Let's just see it in the farm. Do we have somebody who just who provided liquidity? Man, the Maiar DEX is crowded right now. I mean, it is visible that okay, let's see. So here is the booster, and right now it's 2.5x, and the APR is 787. Interesting for the locked ones, but this is only for 1 week, so this is not like you will I don't know, you will get 10 times more ITHEUM for the first week. So this is calculated per year, but still it's a very big API. Probably the project, the ITHEUM project, just agreed to give this to those people who want to provide liquidity. Okay, let's see, where is the price? The price is at 0.76. Okay, I just need to move the comment section here, not here. Yeah, sorry guys. So let's see. 1 second, I'm having a bit of a technical problem here. The window with the comment section is doesn't want to work with me, so I will just leave it like this. Okay. Well, okay, so Adrian said that I'm expecting to have a similar path to ride and who are around 1.20 in a few days. Well, that's an interesting one, because ride was dumped pretty hard, and probably many people just let's say turned away from ride and said that okay, I'm not gonna touch it for a couple of months maybe. And considering, I mean, comparing these two projects, I would bet on ride. I think ride for me is a more sympathetic project, but yeah, it would mean that since the market caps are similar, the tokenomics are similar, you could be right, and it will just go around 1.2, and that would mean that I would also be in profit with my 0.1 elrond invested. Okay, let's see what we have here again. ITHEUM 0.77, so it's going up. So any comment on BitX token? Should I invest, as it's looking pretty good? Yeah, I made 2 videos about BitX token. First one was a bit harsh, but I was right. I'm still thinking that. My problem with BitX token is that they are calling themselves the next big thing on elrond, and And the second one was that they have a 2-page white paper, and they are just I don't know, how should I say, they base everything, all of the success on the thing that their token is scarce, like elrond. The problem is that elrond is building a couple of things and wants to create some kind of a service, something which everyday people will use or will want to use, not because it's on crypto, but because it gives them some benefits, like I don't know, you know, rebates or stuff like that. With BitX Finance, I mean, I think the utility they have is the locking mechanism, which is not very new. It's something like if you want to invest in a new project and you want to stake it, you can lock it with a third-party project, which will make sure that your tokens will not disappear with the staking agency or with the project. But I don't know. I don't want to give advice whether you should invest or not. I am investing in many small projects. I invested in Krogan, for example. I invested in Jax, in iSet, in Kilowatt. BitX is not my type of project. I would like to see something which has more utility. For me, the thing that it is scarce is not enough, and the locking is not really used. I don't know anybody who used locking, this locking utility, because the smart contracts are getting more and more secure. The mainstream, the media is built out or built up around the crypto, and the projects, those especially who are planning for a longer term, they don't really, how should I say, that they will make sure that they don't lose your coins. As you could see with the elrond as well, with the HoloRide, for example. For me, that was a big surprise. The pump and dump wasn't a surprise at all. You could see it in my previous videos that I said that it will happen. It has happened with me as well. But yeah, BitX people are very confident about their locking mechanism. Yeah, I mean, there is a saying which I'm not gonna say it on YouTube and live, but let's say it's about certain people, and those certain, so every people will compliment their own horse. Okay, there is this saying. Obviously, they will not say that, hey, your locking mechanism is mediocre. I'm not trying to talk you down from that. Obviously, you will invest if you want, but what can I say? It's not my type of project, as I said. Therefore, I'm not going to invest, and that could mean that I will lose some money. I mean, it could do many X's, and maybe the projects I invested in will do just a few X or won't do at all. So I don't know. Okay, there was a question here. Do you still own Lang or Lancheria? Yes, I still own it, and I visit their website not often, but from time to time. I don't really see any progress. Did you guys see any progress? Because I'm a bit concerned that, I don't know, they are not like elrond team, and I don't know what they want to achieve. In the meantime, I see Black Hat, for example. They are progressing, and I don't know what to think about Lancheria for now. Probably I will make a video about them. I still have their tokens. I didn't sell. They are on my ledger. We will see what will happen. Anyways, I'm in minus, so I don't sell in minus. Okay, are you investing in BeHero? No, I didn't invest in BeHero because I didn't look into that project in very details, but I will. I'm a bit how should I say? I'm trying to figure out where the market will go, because that is also a very big uncertainty. Right now I have a couple $100, to be honest, in USDC on elrond wallet, and I just don't know what to buy with them, because I don't want to buy him right now. I think this is a pretty uncertain time to buy in. And can you see my screen? I think you can. Okay, so it's, look, Bitcoin is at 39,250, something like that. We don't know what will happen. I can do all the charts I want. We can put trend lines, whatever we want, but yeah, we will see what will happen. It is heavily manipulated, so is gold, by the way. And to be honest, I'm just watching the on-chain data, whether the supply is going down or not. It is going down, therefore at one point, maybe next week, maybe next month or next year, Bitcoin will just start to pump hard, and that will just pull all the other projects. And if it crashes, like crashes to the 30, to the 20, wherever, I don't think it will crash to the 20, but it is going to, if it is going to crash, I will buy in very small projects, very small gaming and metaverse projects, because they will be very, very cheap. And yeah, I'm just gonna do that. Now I have my portfolio, let's say the smaller risk portfolio filled in with elrond, with Bitcoin, with Ethereum. I also have a lot of small coins. They are not too diverse. I mean, sorry, they are very diverse. But in the next steps, I will make another portfolio, which is the metaverse and the gaming projects. Look at other chart. Okay, I will look at other chart. Should I refresh? 0.84. Oh, and we can. Okay. Oh, this is something else. Let's see what happened here. 1 hour, 15 minutes. Do we have smaller ones? Okay, so we have only the 15 minutes. Let me just check what you, because the screen which I see is cropped, so you don't see the full screen which I see, but now you can see it. Okay, so what the charts tell us? Well, it is very simple. There is a big sell-off from the 0.88. Probably a lot of people, probably a lot of people just took some profits, and it might happen that at 0.75 they started to buy back and they just made some profit. I don't know. Krogan, Protheo. I don't know about Protheo. I have invested in Krogan. Yes, I put in Krogan. I bought Krogan in pre-sale number 2 or 3. I don't know, for I think for 1 elrond, or for 2 elrond. One of these, I don't know. Oh, and I also invested in Landboard. I don't know what they are going to do. I invested 2 elronds in Landboard actually, and I'm waiting for my land, to be honest, because they said that anyone who invests in pre-sale more than 1 elrond will get a tile of land, and I hope that I can choose where I want it. It will be the Romanian Miami, somewhere there. Okay, let me just check if everything is okay here. Okay. So, any other requests, or should we talk about this? Because right now people have started to buy, and I'm very curious to see. The question here, as always, is: was this the bottom? Entry point ZPay, sir. You know what? We should do that. I was planning to do a video about ZPay, ZoidPay. I guess you mean ZoidPay. And the thing is that I was asked, and I think Vijay, yeah, Vijay. I don't know if I'm pronouncing your name correct. You wrote me a comment that we didn't get in at 0.77 because I said that it's too high. And then it went to 1.5, actually almost to 1.84. So with ZoidPay, I just had a chat with the team not too long ago. Can I switch this? Okay, it's better. It's just burning out my eyes. So I had a chat with team because they helped me set up the virtual card, and I am waiting for the confirmation but it looks like we will have a chat with Edward live. So make sure that you tune in, and make sure that you follow on Twitter, because we will announce it there. And also I will put out some posts on YouTube, and probably will mention in a video if that will happen. So ZoidPay, what is a good entry point? Now, the thing is that most people don't really believe in trading analysis or charting or stuff like that, but the charts and candles, as we know, they are buyers and sellers, And what we want to know is that what people think is the bottom. Now, as you can see here, and this is the hourly, because if I switch to daily or 4 hours, it's not telling us too much. But we can see that at this point, when it reached almost $2, there was 2 big sell-offs. Now I will switch back to, you know what, I will just leave it at the 4 hours. Yeah, you have asked, yes. So just to add to that we missed the entry point. Yes, we did. But thinking back to how I buy sometimes and how I FOMO in, if I just said in that video that yeah, let's buy in, and I'm buying and I will continue to buy, a lot of people would have bought here somewhere. Let me get a brush. So a lot of people would have bought here, and I'm sure that many people would have get wrecked, or they would just stay in a minus, how much, 40%. Yeah, 40%. So I'm honestly, I'm not too worried, or I'm not sad because I didn't buy in at 0.7. Obviously I am sad because I didn't buy in at 0.2 or 0.3 because we had that opportunity as well. But right now we do need to see what people think that it is the bottom, because that's what the chart shows us. So we need to see what the others think that this is the bottom. And if I would have to put a price, I would say it's somewhere here. Anyway, and anyways, round numbers like $1, $2, 1.5, 1. I don't know, 25. They are psychological numbers. And oh, okay. And we got on Maiar HeroTag blog post that the ITHEUM trading is live. So this is quite a round number, $1 for ZoidPay. And if the price does something like this, okay, and a lot of ifs here, but something like this, you know, starts to go down, comes back, something like this, and you can see it, okay? Just give me 1 second. So if it does something like this, then that is a very good indication, you know, and continues. That is a very good indication that it found its bottom, that people started to buy in. So that could be a very good entry point, I think. Okay, that's what I think. Always there are risks, and a lot of other things also are in play here, because with ZoidPay we also, I don't know if we need to see how elrond is doing, probably not too much, but after ZoidPay, let's say mania, because this wasn't ZoidPay is a very good project and I think they deserve this pump and everything, but this is how hype looks like, okay? Because for a simple fact, when something is just building and growing like constantly, that chart looks like this. That is the part, okay? And this is the moment where people found out about ZoidPay, okay? When some news came, and that those news were that it's gonna be listed on a centralized exchange, and everybody knows what that means, what listing a coin on centralized exchange means. People will start to buy it, but the pump is not coming from listing the centralized exchange, it's coming from people buying it because there are news that it's going to be listed on centralized exchange. Buy the rumor, sell the news. That is where it's coming from. 2 more exchanges next month, ZoidPay. Yes, 2 more exchanges, and that's why I said that $1 seems pretty good. And when they announce which exchanges will be those, depending how big exchanges they are, yeah, it might mean that another pump is coming in. Okay. Any other questions? Let's see. Oh, let's check the price. Okay, it's 0.87. Okay, 1 second. Let's just switch back to ITHEUM for a second, because it is going back. ISAT. ITHEUM US dollar. Oh, that is a big wick. Okay, so this is very, very classic. So as we can see here, not that we have much to see, but as you can see what we have here, the two candlesticks and the third one is forming. We had a big sell-off, people bought up, maybe people who sold here bought up here, and now we will see whether they are going to sell more. This is very interesting, but we can see, so the thing is that we can see that the volume of the sell-off was bigger than the buying of the sell-off, so still a bit of a hype here. E-compass charts. Oh, okay, yeah. Understand, yeah. So do we have ITHEUM here or not? I don't think we have. Can you see it somewhere? Is JAX listed? I don't remember. Did I have any JAX? Did I buy any JAX in pre-sale? I have to check my my wallet. Check the link. The chart is much better for ITHEUM. Okay. But where is ITHEUM? Can I search it? Okay, charts, Maiar. I don't think I can. They can buy back because you received locked tokens. Yes, that's correct. They can't buy back, but if they have elrond, they can buy with that. So if somebody has a big bag of ITHEUM, they probably also have a big bag of elrond. They sell the ITHEUM, they get locked elrond, and they use their free elrond or liquid elrond to buy back the ITHEUM, and they get locked ITHEUM. Middle center. Where? Oh, it's here. Okay. Do they have smaller time frame? Because the other chart has only, oh, okay, they have 5 minutes. Okay, let's see the 1 minute. Let's see what we have here. Yeah. Okay, auto. Okay. I don't know. Can you guys see this? Just 1 second. I know what is the problem. So in order to, yeah, like this. Okay, so it says that it is coming from 0.58. So this is not very correct because we know that the listing price should have been 0.88. And it says that it went up to 0.94. Oh no. Okay, I know what has happened. So this chart is also was also following the price discovery. Okay. Yeah. And now we are back at the 0.87. So what I was saying before, the pump and dump is possible, and we can argue, but this was something like that. It was dump and pump, okay? Not a big one, obviously. But if somebody has ITHEUM and elrond, they can just sell the ITHEUM, get locked elrond, and buy ITHEUM with their liquid elrond. And obviously, I am 100% sure that the big wallets who, I don't know, who paid other wallets to get, I don't know, 5,000 ITHEUM, and for example, there was one which had 110,000 ITHEUM from the lottery because it had like 20-25 addresses, and yeah, I'm sure that they also have some elrond. They would be stupid to have everything staked, because they could benefit from these kind of things, you know, these kind of pumps and dumps. And we are talking about, let's see how much. It's 16%. Oh, man, these percentages are smaller and smaller. Yeah, thank you, Arne. Thank you very much. Okay, so was this the bottom? I don't think it was. I think we will see bigger or more price action. I will just switch this to 5 minutes. Let's see what we have here. Okay, any other requests for other Maiar project listings? I'm happy to take, or I will probably close this live. So yeah, you have 2 more minutes to put your requests in the comment zone, and I just have to check that Yeah, man, only 13 likes. Come on. Now everyone press the like button and put your request if you have in the comment, and then we will probably close this live chat because it's been a long day for me as well, and I think I'm gonna play some Call of Duty. I haven't decided yet. Can anyone recommend a good game which is on the blockchain and it was somehow developed, but don't recommend Axie Infinity because that's not too interesting for me. I think there will be some kind of a Counter-Strike, something like that. Okay, so let's see. Did everyone press the like button? Okay, 10 more. Yeah, that's a good one. So okay, thank you very much for joining in. Thank you for tuning in, and Be Hero Launchpad. Okay, this, you know what? Since I promised, then I will do the Be Hero Launchpad. Can I find it here somewhere? Be Hero 50 pre-sale, locked max, Z-Pay, Jax, Air Launchpad, 2 kilowatt, iSet, effort, VAM, Plata, Beskar. I can't find Be Hero Launchpad. Be Hero. What do you think about Krogan listing? Has it happened already? I don't know. I'm hoping that it will be 1000x because I have some tokens from them in the pre-sale. Are you participating in Be Hero? No, I am not. I'm not, and I can't find them here, or it's just... Oh, okay. Take your project from 0 to Be Hero. Okay, I understand now. Oh, you were asking me if I'm participating in this. So I'm done. I'm done with freelancing, processing, buy lottery tickets, lottery execution. Oh, okay. Well, I didn't do the KIC, therefore I am not participating. I somehow missed this one. I thought that they want to make a platform about freelancing. They are like some kind of competition to Lancheria. Be Hero is not launch. Yeah, I just realized that's that one. So yeah, if I knew about this, I would have I got elrond stake delegated, max number of tickets per regular use. So probably I would have tried the lottery, but it seems that I missed this out. Yeah, but I didn't do my KIC. I didn't register. Therefore, I don't think that I could. I can register now. Yeah, no, I can't. Okay, yeah. So Black Hat Network, they seem to work a lot, and I keep seeing some kind of an updates and upgrades from them on Twitter, for example. I don't even know why I didn't check this project. Therefore, I will be much more vigilant about them, because I think they worth at least a video just to see where they are and what they are going to do. Hello, breaking free. What are your thoughts on the ITHEUM plus elrond staking pool on Maiar exchange? Is the 700 APR in LKMX worth it to you? Well, I don't know what to say. The problem is that whenever I give some kind of advice which is not financial advice, or I recommend, something happens, and I am very, very scared of giving any recommendations regarding the farms and staking pools, because if something comes in, if I don't know, elrond drops or the other one drops, then the impermanent loss can be, let's say, a bit painful for people. So I don't know what to say, but the 700 APR is only for 1 week, so it's not for the full year. You know that, right? So OG Bitcoin just type in the comment that yes, you do know that via that you get it for 1 week as well. Also, only 31 likes, guys. I want you to push the like button. I don't know why you need to push it. I just saw on other YouTubers that they are begging for likes, so I was thinking that maybe I should as well. But you are not on Behead Lottery. No, I am not. I missed out on this one. There's just so many things are going on that I just can't keep up with it, to be honest. And yeah, maybe I will buy some coins after the listing. But with these lotteries, I'm not very lucky, to be honest. I participated in HoloRide and in ITHEUM, and I just didn't win. So yeah, everyone else around me is a winner. Less Call of Duty, more crypto research. Yeah. Sometimes you need to sign off as well from the internet, because yeah, it's just... Okay, I'm gonna close this right now. So thank you very much for being here again. And yeah, I will try to make to hold more lives. I said that I will hold once per week, but my life has turned upside down for the last couple of weeks. I just moved between countries, and now I'm a bit more a bit closer to my family. So every time I have some guests, which is very good, obviously. But now things are settling down. I will have more time, and I will try to keep the one live per week from now on. Thanks again for watching. Thanks for being here. And yeah, let's see what will be the bottom of ITHEUM, because everyone here said between 0.4 and 0.64. And I'm just curious who was right. Maybe none of us. Who knows? Take care. And have a nice afternoon or evening, wherever you are.